Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm back with you guys today. Today I'm reviewing my brand new Logitech K840 mechanical keyboard. Overall, I like the build quality of this keyboard. It is fully brushed aluminum panels on the front. On the back, it is plastic with two stands to stand up the keyboard. Overall, it is pretty clicky and pretty quiet at the same time. Take a listen. Overall, I really like this keyboard. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who really is just trying to get into mechanical keyboards, guys. This is also my first mechanical keyboard I've ever owned. It's really nice, guys. I really like it. I think the switches are actually relatable to the MX Browns because of how tactical they are. They have a good bit of key distance, and also they do not have that little tactical bump that regular membrane keyboards have. Really, there is no software with this, and no, there are no flashy LED or RGB coloring that says, hey, I'm a true gamer with a mechanical keyboard. But, however, I think the keys switches for this keyboard are Romer Gs, which are Logitech's brand of, I guess you could say, relevant to MX Browns. Which, to be honest, I really do like this keyboard. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like on it, guys. My name is Ben39. Also, link to this keyboard will be down in the description below. Go get you guys one, guys. These are really good. They're nice and clicky, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button if my camera will focus. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.